Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Auth0 for CRM authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, navigate to the Auth0 website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Fill in the required fields and click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Auth0. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Auth0 login page. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Auth0 dashboard. To set up a new application, click on the Applications tab on the left sidebar. Then, click the Create Application button. Choose a name for your CRM application and select the type of application you're building. For most CRM systems, you will want to select regular web applications. After that, click on the Create button. Now, you will see application settings. Take note of the domain, client ID, and client secret as you will need these later. Scroll down to the allowed callback URLs and add your CRM's callback URL. This is where Auth0 will redirect users after authenticating. Similarly, add your CRM's logout URL in the allowed logout URLs field. Next, make sure to configure the allowed web origins if your application is web-based. Click the Save Changes button to ensure your settings are implemented. Now, navigate to the API section in the sidebar. Click on Create API to set up a new API for your CRM. Enter a name and an identifier for your API. Choose the appropriate signing algorithm, usually RS-256. Once done, click on the Create button. Now, return to the Applications section. Select the application you created earlier. Click on the APIs tab within your application settings. Then, click the Add API button and select the API you just created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.